Hi, I'm Jeff with Mill Renew. It is November 22nd, 2022, and I'm here at Specialty Forest taking a look at this laminating line that I need to disassemble and move from Tacoma down to, I believe, McCleary, Washington. So we'll start here at the beginning. This is the in-feed roller where you put the bunk of wood, and then it powers over to this in-feed roller here that is just below the feed arm to push one sheet at a time into the press. This rolls down here is a scissor lift that just keeps inching up so this arm can feed the material into the brush cleaner. And basically I'm taking these pictures so when I put it back together I'll know where each piece goes as it's staged in the other building. This system's about 110 feet long, and it'll be quite a fun project to reinstall it. There's the brush cleaner. This comes out of the brush cleaner. Then there's some angled rollers here that bring the material up against the fence just prior to it going into the glue spreader. And it has a gravity feed glue on it. So it goes through the glue spreader, which I believe is a Black Brothers 776 with quick change rolls. It's really dark, so I don't even know if these pictures are going to come out. This is an Evans Rotork index table. And there's where you would put all your material, your different colors, right over top of the index table. And then from the index table, it all feeds out into the press, which is a Hydrex press, segmented. And then from there, it goes to this outfeed roll casing, which I disconnected, I don't know, probably 3 or 4 months ago, just to get it out of the way so Specialty Forest could move their material in and out. There's the press. A couple of the platens are down. A couple of them are up. The press itself is about 13 feet tall. So anyway, this will be a fun project for me to move. Anyway, I'm going to sign off for now, and then I'll probably make another movie of this when it is installed and running.